when it comes to metadata files, okay, so I told that there will be 4 metadata files: FS image, edit log, block report or bitmap, arc, and data node information. Okay, so am I showing okay all these things? And I told that okay, only first 2 will be stored in the name node hard disk. Okay, other 2 will be stored in RAM. Okay, so I'm showing each and everything. Okay, and okay, see now if you want to check okay where is FS image? FS image will be available in this location. The location of FS image will be available here in this location. Okay, so now you see FS image file is available or not. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
okay, edits also available or not. You know, edits. So these are the edits files. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, so FS image edits are available. Okay, so we started all these things. Okay, so now cluster is fine. We copied some data also and we checked okay how it is, how they are working. Yes or no? Okay, how they are working. Okay, we have seen. Okay. Then okay, so now any questions till now? Any questions?
No, sir.
No question, right? Okay. So now okay, we will go with the secondary name node. What is secondary name node here? When I say secondary name node, see in our example, okay, we told that okay, we have secondary name node. Okay, we have secondary name node, but okay, we didn't start the secondary name node yet. We didn't start the secondary name node yet. Okay. So what the secondary name node will do? Okay, so fine. Okay, so I will take the same picture again.
So checkpointing is the only work. Yes, we will discuss for
So,
kind of. Okay, sir.
so what I will do, I'll put the same thing here. Okay, so now this is the one. I'll remove all these things. Okay, FS image edit log for these things. So these things also I'll remove. So I remove block report also, block report for this one also. I mean, just for understanding purpose. Okay, otherwise let it be there, not a problem. Okay, let it be there. Okay, so this is the block number and all. I'll remove these things. I'll remove these things also. So this is my edge node. Okay, this is my edge node. Everything is fine now. Okay, now okay. So I've enabled, I've started name node and data nodes. I've started, correct? But I didn't start secondary name node till now. I didn't start secondary name node till now. Correct or not? Okay. Now what I will do, I will start secondary name node. Okay. To enable secondary name node, what I need to do, first okay, you check below directories. Okay. Check below metadata directories. Okay. So first directory will contain the FS image, second directory will contain the edit log. Okay. Now, okay. So if you want to enable secondary name node, open HDFS site XML in S3N1 machine. Normally, any new configuration you are making, you will be doing in the first machine, name node machine itself. Open this one. Okay. Come to end. Okay, guys. Okay, before configuration only. Okay. Add below properties. Add below properties. Okay. So I'm adding this below properties. Okay. So these are the properties. Okay. So now what are the properties I added? Okay. Name node checkpointing directory. What is this name node checkpointing directory, guys? Normally, okay, for what purpose we are using okay secondary name node? So our requirement is to okay, yeah. So
Backup,
here you see here, if you see here now FS image and edit log, these two files are available only in this place. Yes or no? Okay. Suddenly if this machine is crashed, okay, it means okay, suddenly this machine is burnt out. Okay, now I will lose my FS image, I will lose my edit logs also. Correct or not? Okay. I don't have any backup. Okay. So now I need some system, okay, to take a backup of these two. First thing. Second thing is that, okay, perform checkpoint also. Okay. Suppose, okay, if I leave my edits like this, okay, so it will be keep on growing. Okay. So what I need to do, checkpoint. Checkpoint means pushing whatever we have in edits to FS mesh. That process is called as checkpoint. Understand? Okay. So it means, okay, now we need a service, okay, or we need secondary name node to take a backup of these two files and to perform checkpoint. Okay. So we understood that the secondary node will perform checkpoint. Okay. Now which directory it will perform checkpoint, or in which directory it will take the backup. Okay. That information, okay, we are putting it here. Okay. This is the location where it will take the backup and it will maintain the uh, backup copy of your reference image edit log actually. Okay. So now the second part is that how frequently the checkpoint should be performed. How frequently this checkpoint will happen, guys? Normally every 1 hour. Every 1 hour. Correct? Correct. So every 1 hour means, okay, now if I start secondary node, only after 1 hour it will perform checkpoint. Okay. So now what I will do to show you, okay, checkpoint immediately, I will change this value to seconds. Now if I say 60, okay, what does it mean? 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
60 seconds. Understood. Using seconds means 60 seconds. So if I put 60 seconds here, then okay, it will perform checkpoint every 60 seconds. Correct. If I put okay, 600, it will perform checkpoint every 1 hour. Okay. So whatever value you put, okay, it will follow that. Okay. So now okay, I changed it to 60 seconds. Okay, then checkpoint transactions. Okay. Suppose okay, if number of transactions are more, okay, more than 1 lakh in edit log or more than 1 million in edit log, automatically perform checkpoint. So this is what I told. So okay, so what I will do now, okay, so here okay, I will add one point is validate XML, because okay, when you make any this one, what is it, changes in the XMLs, okay, I will add okay the date validation actually. Where is this validate XML? Validate XML file. I will add this point here also. After making these changes, okay, one step I'll add it like validate XML. Okay, so this itself will tell you okay, if there's any error. Okay, so now so if this output is empty, it means okay, it is fine. Okay, okay, shall we add okay something like this? Okay, I will do one thing. Okay, if I will take if command so that okay, you will get okay. So okay. Just 1 second. I'm not wasting your time. Okay, this is good for you. That is the reason. Okay, I'm trying to do something. Otherwise, okay, you'll just blindly go with this. So this is executing. Fine. Okay. Is true. You're not successful, right? I'm getting output. Okay, what is this? The command is not found. XML is valid. Where I'm getting. Shit. Okay. Okay. The same thing. Okay, I'll put it here also. Validate XML. Separate XML, but okay, here two more places. Okay, we have this one, right? Portrait XML. This is the separate XML. This is portrait. Yes. XML is valid. XML is valid. Yes. XML is valid. Sorry guys, sorry to waste your time. Okay. So after making changes, okay, just to validate the modified XML file. Okay. So if it is showing valid, okay, then you can proceed to the next step. Here, okay, XML is modified XML is valid. Okay. So then, okay, push all the modified configuration file to all the nodes. Now I'm pushing this modified configuration file to all other nodes. Now, okay, I push the configuration to all the nodes. Okay. Now I'm starting secondary name node base. Okay, see here. What is the command? Okay, so in which machine I'm starting secondary name node? Yes, and then
Name notation.
start secondary name node. Secondary name node. Okay. So now, okay. Now you see cluster in the all. Yes. Okay. Now if you see on 181 we have name node services running. 182 secondary name node services running. 183, 184, 185 we have data nodes running. 186 nothing is running. Why? Why nothing is running here?
So
Because it
that is for edge.
it's edge node. Yes or no? When I say edge
Yes.
node, okay, no.
Edge nodes.
Hadoop services will be running in the edge node. That is the reason. Okay, so it is showing empty. Okay, edge node is a machine just for developers. Okay, so they will run the commands and they will see their outputs actually. Okay, so no Hadoop services will be running here. Okay, very good. Okay. Secondary name node is started now. Okay, so secondary name node is started. What next? How to check? How to validate whether it is working fine or not? Below directories. See, this is the place where we have. Okay. This is the place where we have FS image and edit log. Okay, so I want this is edit log and this is FS image. Okay, now okay, we'll see. Initially, when we create the FS image, what was the number for FS image, guys? What is the number for FS image? 00. Yes or no? Now you see our Excel. Okay, so this is the 00 FS image. Okay, but now okay, we will see. Now, okay, let us perform this one, this operational. Okay. Now you see, yes, okay. We just created okay, MNT disk one SNN. Okay. Okay. Now you run above command also. Okay. Now you see here, guys. Okay. So what is the first image file we have now? 181 still like 63 only. In SNN we have 65. Okay. Now you see. 63. I stopped all the services now. I'm starting the services again, guys. So now services are started. Now you see. Okay, try to understand. Every 1 minute, okay, checkpoint is happening here. Every 1 minute, checkpoint is happening. Okay.
Since we are seeing entries in disk 1, that's how we got to know. Venkat.
Yes, sir. 1 second, 1 second. Okay. I'll show you the difference actually. Okay. See what happened. Okay, so this secondary name node is bringing this data. Okay, this edits from main name node and FS image from main name node, and it is merging into new FS image. Okay, so in which location? Okay, this is the location. MNT disk 1 location we have. Okay, so this is the location. Okay, we have which one? Okay, this is the location MNT disk 1. Okay, here, okay, backup P of FS image will be available here. Understood? Backup
Yes, sir.
FS image will be available in the MNT disk 1. Okay, SNN directory, of course. Okay, now you see here, guys. Okay, what is the latest copy of FS image? What is the latest copy of FS image? 72.
Okay.
The number is 72. Okay, now you see here, is it available here or not? 72.
Yes, sir.
I told. Okay, so every time it performs checkpoint and push the latest FS image copy back to name node. Yes or no? Every minute.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now when checkpoint happened, okay, the new FS image got created at 7:38. Okay. Now we will see 7:39. Okay. Now you see now 7:39. Okay. New FS image created or not? Every 1
Yes, sir.
minute new FS image. Okay. Now you see. Now okay. So
Venkat, this every 1 minute means it will. This will be a performance issue. Yes, like ideally it should be 1 minute or more than that.
no, sir, okay. Ideally it should not be 1 minute, right? Okay. Ideally it is 1 hour, right?
1 hour, sir. Yeah.
But I cannot make you to wait to show checkpoint for 1 hour.
Got it. Got
For
it.
practice purpose, we have given in like 1 minute 60 seconds only in comments.
Yes. For practice purpose, okay, I have given it like okay. I've given it like 1 minute. Okay. Otherwise, in real time, it will be like okay 1 hour. Okay. In some when it comes to Hadoop 2x, okay, the time is 6 hours, guys. Understand?
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Default timing, sir.
Yes, sir. Default is in Hadoop 1x it is. In Hadoop 1x it is 1 hour. In Hadoop 2x and 3x it is 6 hours
Oh.
by default. Okay. So, but okay, you're able to see, right? You're able to see, right? Okay, this is like a secondary name node. Okay, and here, okay, the latest FSM is 76. Okay. And this is the latest FSM 76. Okay. As and when, okay, it means okay, every time, okay, so every time it is performing checkpoint. Okay. Now it is taking all the entries from here, okay, and pushing it here. It means okay, now it is empty edit log now. Nothing is there. Understood? Understood, guys? Okay. So and okay, it will change this number here. Okay, so 76. It means okay, till 76, okay, I appended here. You got my point? Huh? Are any questions?
సార్ అక్కడ 10 బిలియన్ ఇచ్చాం కదండి సార్ అది ఎందుకు యూజ్ అవుతుంది సార్
Okay, so I will talk about that.
ఓకే సార్
Okay, so here okay, I have given two options, guys. One is okay, 1 hour and okay, one is 10 million actually. Okay. So let us take okay, this scenario, guys. Okay, let's say now time is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Secondary name node started. Okay, secondary name node started. Okay. Now, okay, when checkpoint will happen when checkpoint will happen? Tell me now.
7-1.
No, 1 hour. You take it like 1 hour. Okay. It means,
Then 8 o'clock. Then 8 p.m.
okay, 7 o'clock. If you see the status, okay, 7 o'clock. If you see the status, okay, here okay, edits, okay, and first image. Okay, so now it is okay. So initially, let's say 0, 0. Initially, edit log FS image all containing 0, 0, 0 edits, 0 edits here. Okay. So now, okay. So people will be doing transactions. Okay. So let's say edits equal to number of edits. Okay. Now time is okay 7:59. 7:59. Okay. At 7:59, edits are like okay. Let's say 10 edits. Okay. 0 FS image 0. Okay. Now checkpoint will happen at 8 o'clock, right?
Yes, sir.
Happen at 8 o'clock. What will how many edits will have an edit log?
In edit sir, it will be 0, sir.
0. In FS image?
10, sir.
Understood. So at 8 o'clock, if you see the status, okay, at 7:15, if you see, in edits you have 10 and okay, in FS image 0. But 8 o'clock, edits 0 and FS image 10. Understood?
Yes, sir, got it.
Now, okay. Okay, now you see here. Okay, now 8:59, you have 25 edits. Okay, so here 8:59, 10. Okay, now at 9 o'clock, okay, what are the edits here?
0, sir. Edits will be 0.
0 and okay, FS image
35.
35.
35.
5. Okay, 35. Okay, now in the same way, okay, now 9:59. Okay, so here 50 edits came. Okay, here at 9 o'clock, 35 only. Okay, now at 10 o'clock, okay, what are the edits?
Edits will be 0, sir.
0. Okay,
85. 85.
85. Understood. So it means okay, every 1 hour, whatever the edits we have, everything will be merged with the FS image. Understand? So this merging operation is happening only hourly once. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is 1 hour. Okay. So whatever the timing we set, okay, this is about duration. Understand? Okay. So now I will put the same thing okay, in a different way. Okay. So now 7 o'clock. Okay. So it is 0. Okay, now it is 7:59. 7:59. Okay. We have 10 edits. Okay. You have 10 edits and all. Okay. Now at 8 o'clock, what will be the edit log?
0, sir.
0. Okay. Now first image
10.
10.
10. Yes.
Okay. Time is like okay. Now time is okay. 8:30. Time is 8:30. Okay. Suddenly here 1 million transactions came, sir. Understood?
Yes,
1
sir.
million transactions came. Time is okay. Within half an hour time, okay, 1 million transactions came. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now when the checkpoint will happen? This is
8:30 only, sir. 8:30 only.
okay. So immediately, so here, okay. So let's say this is 8:29. Okay, 8:29. So immediately, actually, as per the rule, okay, next checkpoint is supposed to happen at 9 o'clock, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but okay, here 1 million transactions already came. So the next checkpoint will happen at 8:30, not at 9. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now 8:30. Okay. So okay, when the next checkpoint will happen?
9:30.
Now time of 9:30. Yes, sir.
9:30.
See,
Yes, sir.
there should be a gap of 1 hour between one checkpoint to other checkpoint. Okay. So either 1 hour gap or okay, or 1 million transactions. Anything. Okay. Now let us take this scenario. Now 8:30 checkpoint happened. Okay. Now 8:45 time. 8:44 time. Okay. Again, 1 more million checkpoint happened. Okay. That means at 8:30, what will happen in edits? How many will be there in edits?
Edits 0, sir.
0. First which?
1 billion, 10.
1 million, 10. Okay. Now 8:44 time. Again, 1 million transactions came. Okay.
Yeah.
So now tell me, okay, when the next checkpoint will happen?
8:45.
8:45, sir. It is.
8:45 next checkpoint will happen. Okay. So then okay, you tell me now. It's
0, sir.
0. Here
2 billion.
2 billion gap. Understood? Understood, guys, okay? So whichever criteria met first, okay, so checkpoint will happen. Okay, suppose okay, if the time criteria comes first, checkpoint will happen. Or if number of transactions criteria comes first, checkpoint will happen.
Yes, sir. That means if the transaction is less than 1 billion, then it will go as per the time.
Yes, yes. Okay, if transactions are less than 1 million, okay, then it will go as per time.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Okay, as per time of 1 hour. Okay, so now checkpoint will happen at 8:45. Next checkpoint will happen at normally
9:45.
9:45. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's how it works. Madam, you understood? Okay, why 1 million?
Yeah, sir, understood.
Understood, right? Okay, very good. Any questions here, guys? Like this, okay, your check points will be keep on growing. So here, okay, is it automatic process or a manual process?
Fully automatic.
First we have to set manually, then it goes for automatic.
No. See, first, okay, we set the properties, then okay, started the service, and the service is taking care of this checkpointing process automatically. We are not doing anything, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We are not doing anything, okay? So now, okay. Now, okay. Okay. Now you understood complete Hadoop 1x cluster, guys. Complete Hadoop 1x cluster. Yes or no? So whatever the cluster I have set up till now, okay, I may be using Hadoop 3x, but okay, this is the architecture of Hadoop 1x. Okay, you will have one name node, okay, one secondary name node, and multiple data nodes. Understand? Understand? Are any questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got it.
sir. Yeah, got it.
Okay, so this is the Hadoop 1x architecture. In 1x architecture, we have only one name node, one secondary name node, and multiple data nodes. Okay, now the question is that, okay, so what in case if name node is down? What are the challenges you are seeing here, guys? What
Sir,
are the
if
challenges?
name node is down completely, server will go down. I mean, entire
Sorry?
cluster.
Sorry?
If name node is down, entire cluster will go down.
Exactly. Okay. If name node is down, entire cluster will go down. Okay. If name node is down, okay, entire cluster will go down. Okay. Okay. If name node is down, entire cluster will go down. Okay. Let us see. Okay. So this is the architecture Hadoop 1x. Okay. They released in Hadoop 1x. And okay, they told, okay, it's a very good architecture. But definitely when a new software released in the market, okay, and definitely this is kind of a new software. New means okay, even architecture is also new. It is not like a normal traditional software. Like, okay, you will not install this software in one machine. So this is a software which runs on multiple machines. Correct or not?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the software they invented. Okay. So they felt that, okay, yeah, okay, this is good software. But again, okay, so there will be some opponents, right? Always for any technology, competitors. So there are a few competitors or a few people in the technology who felt, okay, who started giving comments like, okay, yes, okay, your technology is very good technology. Okay, we agree with you. We understand the value of your technology, but okay, your technology has some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks we have? Okay. So limitations with of name node Hadoop with single name node. Okay. So here name node is the single point of failure, and secondary name node never act like a primary name node in case of primary name node failure. Okay. See, here I have one name node and one secondary name node. Okay. By any reason, if secondary name node is down, sorry, by any reason name node is down. Okay. Do you think secondary name node will take care of the work?
No, sir.
We will do that also. We will see that also. Okay. So now what I will do. Okay, let's see the JPS command output. So here name node is running, right? So here, okay, sorry. Okay. Now here okay, name node is running in 181 machine. Correct or not? Secondary name node, data node, so everything is running. Okay. Now I will go to 181. I'll stop name node service. Okay, anyway, I'm in 181. Okay. SDFS -hyphen daemon stop name node. I stopped the name node. Okay. Now let us try to understand. Okay, let us see whether Alan can run any command. Okay. DFS-ls root. The command is working. What it is saying? I'm sorry, I'm unable to reach name node machine. Okay. So I'm trying to connect to S3N1 machine on this port number, name node port number. So unfortunately, I cannot connect to this one. Got my point? Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
It means
Yes, sir. Yeah, got it.
not there. Okay, no commands will work. No commands will work. Okay. Now you start the name node. Start the name node. Okay. Now you run. Is it working? Is it showing output or not? Huh? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is one thing. Okay, so here when name node is there, I mean your commands are running. If name nodes are not there, your commands will not run. Clear? Okay. Suppose okay, if name node is not there, but secondary name node is up and running, is it doing anything? Is it helping you? Is it helping
No,
Anil?
sir.
Alan?
No,
No, right?
no, sir.
No, it's not helping Alan. Okay, it means okay, there is no use of that. There is no use of that secondary.
Secondary.
Okay, so secondary name node is designed only to do checkpoint. Nothing other than that. Got my point? Nothing other than that. Okay, so that is the first drawback people have shown. Okay, second thing, chances of losing data if checkpoint doesn't happen. Okay, what is the chance of losing data, guys? Okay, if checkpoint doesn't happen. Okay, now you understood this concept, guys. You understood this concept, right?
Yes, sir.
You understood
Yes.
this. Okay. Now let us see the drawbacks here, guys. Okay. So now if you see, now time is 7 o'clock. Initially, I think that initially everything is 0. Okay. And now 7:59, there are 10 edits. Okay. There are 10 edits. Okay. Now 8 o'clock checkpoint is happening. So it is edits are becoming 0 and okay, FSM is becoming 1. Okay. So now FSM is in name node. Secondary name node. FSM is in primary name node also. Main name node also. So now, what is this? What is the how many? What will be there in FSM is in primary name node? At this time, 0, 0. Okay, 7:59 so 0. Okay. Normally, whatever is there in the here, okay, it will be the here. Okay. Now 7:59. Okay. First image in secondary name node also 0, primary name node also 0. Okay. 8 o'clock checkpoint happens. Okay, so it will merge your edits into FS image in secondary name node, and the same copy will be pushed to primary name node also. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 8:59. Okay. So 9 o'clock checkpoint is happening. Then it is merging this FS image edits with FS image 35. That FS image is pushed to name node also. Okay. So it means okay, at any point of time, okay, normally secondary name node and okay, primary name node both will have same copies of FS image. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay. Now, okay, let us take this other scenario, guys. Now, time is not okay, not 9:59. Time is okay, 9:30, sir. 9:30. Time is 9:30. Okay. So now 9:30, okay, 9:29. 9:29. So you have 50 edits. Okay. Normally, when checkpoint will happen? 10 o'clock.
10, sir.
10 o'clock. Okay.
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So 9:30 a.m. Okay. 9:30. We restarted the restart name node. Understood, sir? What I did?
Restart.
We restarted the name node. 9:30 a.m. We restarted name node. Okay. When we restart name node, what will happen?
Name node will do checkpointing automatically.
Okay. So see here, if you see the checkpointing process, okay, checkpoint process, who will do checkpoint here? Okay, see here, name node also perform checkpoint during its startup. Okay. Now when you are restarting means okay, so it means okay here in this scenario, what will happen? Edits will become 0. Okay. Secondary name node FS image. Secondary name node performing checkpoint or main name node performing checkpoint?
Main name node will.
Secondary name node, there is no nothing here. And in the main name node, understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
What you understood?
Whenever we are restarting the
This is a special case. Yes or no? Whenever you restart name node, okay, name node is performing checkpoint, okay, but is
Yes.
name node sending the fresh copy to secondary name node?
No, sir, it's not sending.
It's not sending, okay, only name node. Okay, so this is completely okay, a different case actually. Restart name node. Okay, so now 10 o'clock. Now time is 10 o'clock. Okay. Or restarted name node. Okay. Now, okay. What will happen here?
Sir, if not doing this step, what was happened, sir?
Sorry.
During starting, restart the name node, main name node. This step is not happened. What was the behind? What was happened?
Okay, I'll explain, sir. Okay, so now you see here. Okay, I put this primary name node this side, guys. Okay, primary name node this side. Okay, so okay, no, yeah. Okay, so now in this scenario, okay, now 10 o'clock. Okay, name nodes second both are running. 10 o'clock, okay, 10 edits. Okay, 7:39. 8 o'clock 0, 10 edits and 10 edits in the primary name node. Okay, but okay, 8:15, 25, 9 o'clock. Okay, so 35, 35. 9:29, 50, 35. Okay, 35. But okay, restarted name node. So when restarted name node got restarted, name node will perform checkpoint. Okay, so it means okay, it will take okay this 50 from here and it will merge with this 35. Total it will become 85. But okay, there is no change in the secondary name node FSMH. Okay, now time is 10 o'clock. Okay, so okay, 8:59. Okay, 9:59 time. 9:59 time. Okay, so you have 25 edits here. Okay, so here okay, FSMH 35. Okay, and FSMH 85. FSMH 85 here. Okay, now 10 o'clock when checkpoint is happening, what will happen?
Secondary name node will merge both 25 and then
Exactly. So now it will see. Okay, I have only till 35. Okay, but what is the latest one? 85, right?
85, sir.
85.
So it will take okay. So okay, so here okay, so 0 to 10 edits. Okay, you take always 0 to 10 edits. Okay. So here 11 to 25 edits. Okay, so here 26 to 50 edits. Here 51 to 75 edits. It means okay, 25 here. Okay. Here it is 26 to 50 means how much? 26 to 50, not 26 to 75. So then 85 here. Okay, so 76 to 100. 0 to 10, 10 to 35. 10 to 35. So 10 to 35 means 11 to 35. So you got 35 here. Okay, so 25 new got added here. Okay, so then here 36 to 85. Okay, 85 to 86 to 110. Okay, so now you see here. Okay, 86 to 110 means okay. So how many new edits are there? New edits are there. So here, how many new edits are there? 25 new edits are there. So here, how many new edits are there? Here, 50 new edits are there. Okay, so here, 25 new edits are there. Okay, so total how many edits? Okay, total first 10, 25, 50, 25. Okay, so here 10 o'clock, this will become 0. This will become 0. Okay, FSMA secondary name node will become 110. Okay, and this also will become 110. Understood? Understood, sir? Understood or any questions?
If secondary node down means it will take manual, it will take name node will take care for the checkpoint, right?
See, is second name node taking care of checkpoint? Is name node taking care of only name node is taking checkpoint when it is restarted?
when it restarted then.
Okay.
So in case secondary name node down means what will happen?
I will put this in a reverse order so that you will understand better. I have 10 edits. Okay, so it means 1 to 10. Yes or no? 1 to 10 edits. Okay. Here I have 25 edits. 25 edits. 25 means here you have 50 edits. It means 36 to 85. So 25 edits. Okay, 25 edits, which is nothing but okay, 86 to 110. Yes or no? So 10 edits means initially is 1 to 10. Yes or no? 10 new edits. Each edit will be identified by one number, 1 to 10. Okay, so it means inside FSMS 10 edits are appended. Okay, now 859, I have 25 new edits. 25 means numbers will be like 11 to 35. Those are 25 new edits. So it has become 35. So now, okay, name node got restarted at 9:30. So it has become 85, but okay, secondary element is 35 only. But okay, when secondary element is performing the next checkpoint, it will check that okay, I've taken till 35 only. After 35, I have to take 38 to 110 now. It will take, okay, so 36 to 110. Altogether, it will merge. Okay, it will create 110 here, 110 here. Is it clear now? So when 10 o'clock checkpoint is happening, okay, at 9:59, what are the edits with FSMH?
35.
Secondary name node. What are the edits in the secondary name node?
35.
35. Okay. But what are the later edits till 110? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
yes.
Yes, sir.
110 it will take and it will merge, okay, all into one. So
It will take from 36 to 80 to 110.
110. So it will take, okay, 50 plus this 25. Altogether, okay, 75 it will merge at a time. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the question is that, okay, now time is, okay, let's say now time is, okay, 10:59. 10:59 or okay, 10:30. You take it like 10:30. Okay. Now take it like 10:30. Now you have, okay. So again extra 15 edits came. Okay, what are the numbers for 15? People want to 125. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Extra 50 means 111 to 125. Okay. Now 10:30. Okay. So now 10:31. Name node machine. Name node machine burnt out. What is burnt out? Due to high voltage, okay, name node machine is completely burnt out. Disk got damaged, the motherboard got damaged, the RAM got damaged, processor got damaged, everything got damaged. Completely burnt out. Okay. What will happen, guys, now?
Yeah, here is the chance to lose the data, sir.
Lose data.
Why? How much data you will lose?
Because single
That
point of
new
failure.
15 edits, sir. 15 edits will lose.
Okay, see here, okay. So now, if this is lost means, okay, so edits will be lost, primary FS, these two both are lost in this scenario. Okay. In case of failure, okay. So this disk is lost and okay, this disk also lost. Both are lost. Yes or no? Burnt out
But
means, okay.
everything is lost, yes, because single point of failure, yes, Sanket.
No, sorry. Okay, 1 second, sir, 1 second.
Yeah, okay.
So name node burnt out means, okay, this hard disk also gone, this hard disk also gone. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now this is edits in primary name node.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So now name node burnt out at 10:30. Okay. So which caused, okay, both the disk are primary name node disk are down. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So now, okay, if primary disk are down, okay, but still, okay, I have secondary name node fine, right?
Yes, sir. It is. Yeah, that's right.
Secondary name node is still there. We don't have an issue. Okay, so the secondary name node is still there. Okay. Now, okay, 10:30. Okay, let's say they are completely burnt out. Okay, so nothing can be done now. Okay, nothing can be done. Okay. Now, okay, let's say at 2:30 p.m. Okay, at 12:30, okay, they arranged new name node machine. Okay, when they arrange new name node machine, okay, so now Okay. Till when I can get the, so now I need to copy this FS image from secondary name node to primary name node. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will copy this two from this to here. Okay. So it means that I will have FS image of 110. That's or no?
Yes.
110. Okay. This is fine. Okay. But what about the 15?
Yeah, that will be low, sir.
It is permanently lost.
It is permanently lost. Yes or no? Okay. So that's
Yes.
what I'm saying here. Okay. So chances of losing data if checkpoint doesn't occur. Yes or no? Chances of losing data if checkpoint doesn't occur. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, checkpoint doesn't occur and name node machine is completely damaged. Okay, then metadata files needs to be copied manually in case of primary name node crash. Okay? So here I'm getting the new name node, but okay, when I install new name node, okay, is the new name node automatically taking FS image from here, or okay, you need to copy from here to here? Manually, you have to copy from here to here. Understand? It's a manual process. Okay, nothing is automatic here. When you get new name node, okay, you need to install Hadoop, okay, you need to create all the folder structure, and you need to copy the FS image backup from secondary name node to primary name node manually. Okay, it's a complete manual process.
This is in case of Hadoop 1, yes?
Sorry,
Ankit?
this is 1x.
Hadoop 1. Okay, okay, sure.
These are the drawbacks with Hadoop 1x. Got it? Okay. And okay, one more topic also there. Here, okay, maximum number of data nodes in Hadoop 1x cluster. Okay. Any idea, guys? What is the max data nodes in Hadoop 1x cluster? Equal to 4,000. Okay. So you cannot create more than 4,000 data nodes in any cluster. Okay, if you are running with Hadoop 1x, you cannot create any cluster with more than 4,000 data nodes. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is like, okay, these are like the drawbacks here. Yes, drawbacks. Okay, and guys, in between, okay, we have something called manual checkpoint also, right? There is something called a manual checkpoint. See here, checkpoint can be performed by manually also. Okay, so if you want to perform checkpoint manually, these are the commands we have. So this is the one. So first, okay, if you want to perform manual checkpoint, first you need to put the name node into safe mode, then perform the checkpoint, then bring the name node out of safe mode. Okay, these are the commands which you need to perform. He cannot do. Okay, so here you can do. Yeah, safe mode is on, save namespace successful, safe mode is off. Okay, so and again, okay, so performing manual checkpoint, will it update the secondary name node metadata? No. So performing, okay, manual checkpoint. Okay, so here performing a manual checkpoint. Okay, so will be like this only. Okay, so it will just, okay, when you perform manual checkpoint, the manual checkpoint will be initiated by Hadoop admin and performed by primary name node. Okay, and this is the scenario. It will see whatever is there here, and it will merge with FS image, but it will not update FS image in secondary name node. Okay, clear. So you understood the drawbacks with Hadoop 1x, guys. So whatever we have learned, okay, till now, whatever the architecture I have shown you, okay, so that architecture is completely Hadoop 1x architecture.
Sir, is there any concept of manual checkpointing in version 1?
This is manual checkpoint, right? So okay, fine, okay, I will do one thing. Okay, I will show manual checkpoint also. So 10 o'clock. Okay, so now, okay, time is, okay, let's say 10:30. 10:30 or 10:29. 1029. I have, okay. So again, okay, 10 more. 10 more means, okay, triple 1 to 120. Okay, so this is 110. This is 110. Now, okay, at 1030 manual checkpoint. Okay, when you perform manual checkpoint at 1030, what will happen? This will become 0.
Yeah.
Is there any change in the secondary name node?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Okay. And this will become
120.
120. Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now again, okay. So at 11 o'clock again, normally what will happen? Again, okay. 59. So here, okay, you have 10 more. 130. So here 110. 120. So now here, okay, in this scenario, point is performed. Okay. It will become 0. And now here
130.
130. 130. 130. See, when secondary name node is performing checkpoint, then only it is maintaining one copy here and pushing to name node also. Okay. But if primary name node is performing checkpoint, is it pushing to secondary name node?
No, sir, it's not.
It's not pushing. Okay. So now time is again. Now let's come to this scenario. Now time is okay, 11:30. Okay. So here 131. 131 to 145. There are 15 edits. So here 11:30 burn out. Okay. So let's say okay 10:30. Okay. They bought at 12:30. They got a new name node. Again, okay, everything has to be manually copied here. That 15 transactions are waste only. 15 are waste. It means okay, we lost this 15 permanently because checkpoint did not happen. Okay, we lost this 15 permanently. Understood? So I have explained okay, regular checkpoint. Okay, so this is checkpoint by secondary name node. Understood, guys? Okay. So checkpoint by secondary name node, no problem. Whatever is here, it will push to primary name node also. Okay, but checkpoint performed by name node restart or checkpoint performed by performed manually in these two scenarios. Okay, so checkpoint will happen between inside primary name node only. Primary name node will never push the new checkpoint, new FSMS to secondary name node. Understood? Okay. So this
Yes,
is the
sir.
concept, and okay, these are the drawbacks or limitations of Hadoop with single name node. Clear? Okay. Now, what is the solution here?
So let's say if you want to make a manual checkpoint from the secondary node, is it possible? So that it
It is possible, sir, but okay. So even though it is you are doing manual checkpoint, okay, so you can run manual checkpoint command from anywhere. But end of the day, safe mode is on for which machine? End of the day,
only for
it is okay. It is starting from name node, right? Any command you run from anywhere, it will start from name node, right?
So there is no way we could. So there is no way we could perform a manual checkpoint and make sure the secondary node name node maintains the FS image, updated FS image. The only way is to let it go by its cycle, which is based transactions are based on the interval.
Even like I can perform checkpoint even from secondary name node also. See here, sorry, from edge node also. Okay, I'm getting Hadoop log permission denied. You can perform manual checkpoint even from edge node also. But end of the day, you execute any command, sir, okay, it will go and hit whom first? First point of contact is
Name node.
it will go and hit name node only. It will start from name node only. See, only thing is that, okay, the place, okay, see, you are firing this command. Only what is changing? You are changing the place from where you are firing the command. But end of the day, target destination is same. Our target is same. Target is hitting name node only. You fire this command from name node machine, or you fire this command from data node machine, or you fire this command from secondary name node machine or from edge node machine. End of the day, the command will go and hit name node only. Understood? So you can run point from anywhere. Okay, no problem at all. But only thing is that name node only perform the checkpoint, manual checkpoint. Okay, any other questions? So definitely, see, when they give, okay, such a beautiful technology, if somebody started showing fingers, okay, hey, this is bad here, this is not good here, okay, like this, okay, we may feel bad, right? Yes or no? The same
Yes,
way,
sir.
even okay, Hadoop team also felt bad, okay, yeah, okay, and again, okay, felt bad, but okay, yes, okay, whatever the problems they are showing, okay, drawbacks they are showing, okay, they are valid drawbacks only, right?
Yes, sir.
They are valid drawbacks only. Okay, they are not showing something which is not there. Okay, they are what are the drawbacks they are showing? They are showing, okay, valid drawbacks only. Okay, so what is the solution for this one now? Solution is that name node high availability. Okay, what is this high availability? So active and standby name nodes. Active and standby name nodes. Okay, so what is this active name node and what is standby name? So active name node is like, okay, your primary name node is, okay. So standby name node is, okay, is like this actually, okay. If primary name node is up and running, then okay, it no issues, okay. If primary name node is down, immediately standby will act like primary and okay, continue the commands execution. Understand, guys?
Yes,
so in
sir.
this scenario, if name node is down, okay, can I run any commands in the cluster?
No, sir.
No, okay. But in this scenario, okay, if name node is down, okay, if I run a command, my standby name node will take care. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand,
Yes.
guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
it means, okay, now I'll be having two name nodes. Okay, if one name node is down, also no problem. My users, okay, my users still can run their commands. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. That means this standby node is actual backup for primary name node.
Yeah, I will talk about that, sir. Okay. So now, okay. So here the idea is that, okay, here the idea like, okay. So all these days, okay, we have one name node, one secondary name node, okay, and multiple data nodes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
DN1. Okay, so DN1, DN2, DN3, okay, and DN 100. You can go like this, anything. Okay. All these days, this is the cluster you have seen. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the cluster you have seen. Okay, but now, okay, we are changing this little bit. Okay, in the place of, okay, secondary name node, okay, we are going to bring standby name node. Okay, so here, okay, I'm going to bring one more name node here. One more name node. Okay, what is this active and standby? These are the states. Understand? Okay, so see here, I'm removing the secondary name node. Okay, in the place of secondary name node, I'm bringing one more primary name node. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
I'm bringing one more primary name node. Okay, 1 second. Okay, guys, you understood what they have done? They removed the secondary name node. In the place of secondary name node, they got one more name node. Okay, one more name node. Okay, now, okay, I have two name nodes. Okay, now the question is that, okay, who will reply to the customers? Okay, so see, earlier I had only one name node. You run command from anywhere, from edge node or any node. Okay, so the command is hitting this name node, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I have two primary name nodes where the command should hit.
Whoever is
Primary.
active or
Huh?
whoever is free.
Whoever is free?
No,
Whoever is
only
Okay.
active.
So what they have done here, guys, okay, so they started maintaining like this actually. Okay, they started maintaining like, so initially when I start both the name nodes, both will be in standby. Standby is the status, guys. Understood? Standby. Okay, our status, a state. What is the state of both the name nodes when I start?
Standby, sir.
Okay, when I start both the name nodes, okay, both are in standby. Okay, now, okay, I will make, okay, any one name node as active. Okay, let's say I'm making this as active, sir. Okay, when I make this as active, okay, so whichever name node state is active, you got my point. Whichever name node state is active, that name node will take care of user request. Understand? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now this is active. Now you ask me, sir, okay, when you make, okay, first name node is active, why can't you make, okay, second name node also active? Okay. See, at any point of time, you will not have two active name nodes. Understand? If one is active, other one will be standby. If I make standby as active, this active will become standby. You cannot have two active name nodes. So if you
Yes,
have
sir.
two active name nodes, what will happen? Confusion.
Yes, sir. Again, confusion will be there.
Okay. So that's the reason, okay, what we are doing here. Okay, we are not going with the two. Okay, we are going with two name nodes, but we are going along with the state actually. Okay. So initially, when I start both the name nodes, okay, you have standby. Okay. But now wantedly I'm making active. Suppose, okay, both are in standby. Who will take my, if I run my command, what will happen? Who will take? Nobody will take. Nobody will take my command. Okay. But okay, whoever is active, that guy will take the command and execute my command. Okay. So now, due to any reason, if name node, okay, first name node, okay, is down. Understand? First name node is down. What will happen?
Yeah, another standby node.
Second one will start.
Someone need to make changes in active this
So
directory
it
or
means, okay,
something.
if any reason, okay, if name node 1 is, okay, so can I make it like, okay, name node 1, name node 2? Okay, name node 1 and name node 2.
Sir, there can be multiple name node, right, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, only two name nodes.
Oh, is it, sir?
Okay, both the name nodes are standby. Okay, now I'm making name node 1 as active. Okay, so now all my commands will be, okay, now when I run the commands, okay, all commands will be executed by, okay, active name node. Yes or no? Okay, now due to some issue, okay, name node 1 is down. Understood? What will happen? I have standby name node. Okay, I will make this standby as active. Then active will take care of this work. Understood?
This is
Yes, sir. Got it.
right, sir, or we need to make it manually active?
Sorry? Okay. So at this moment, okay, you try to understand the concept of, okay, at this moment, you think like it is a manual process.
Okay.
Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So idea here is that, okay, if name node 1 is available, I'll make this as active and I'll run my commands. If name node, any scenario, if name node 1 is down, I will make name node 2 is active. Okay, and I'll run my programs here using this one. It means, okay, so if I just interchange the state, okay, so one more name node will be available for me. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is the idea. Okay, this is the idea they brought this. Okay. So they brought, okay, so but here, okay, Now, earlier, okay, I had one name node. Okay, where it started maintaining the FS image and all. Its own FS image edits. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but now I have two name nodes case. Now the question is that okay, where do you maintain FS image edits?
Both.
It will maintain a copy in secondary name node also.
Normally, any name node will maintain FS image edit log. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Normally, FS image edits. Okay, FS image edits. Okay, FS image edits. Okay. So name node. Okay, we are not changing the name node characteristics here. Okay, so as per previous name node. Okay, so here okay, I had one name node. That one name node is maintaining FS image edits. Okay, but here okay, I got okay two primary name nodes. Okay, so two name nodes I got like this. Okay, so here okay, I got two name nodes. Okay, so now okay, I'm not seeing the characteristics. Okay, both are having FS image edit log. Okay, stored here. Okay, now the question is that okay, when name node 1 is active, okay, it has executed okay 10 commands case. 10 commands 1 to 10 edits. 1 to 10 edits it performed. Okay, so these 1 to 10 edits will be available where? In the name node, okay, edits in this place, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, now the thing, okay, so name node 1 is down. Okay, when I say name node 1 is down, okay, how this new name node will understand, okay, about this 10 edits? See now, okay,
So there
what
is
are
a
the work
mechanism
done?
called zookeeper.
Sorry,
There is a mechanism called zookeeper, right, sir?
what is zookeeper, sir? Here,
Zookeeper will take care of these things, right, sir?
no. Don't confuse and don't make others also confused. Okay, so
Okay.
zookeeper and all not there. Okay, so here, okay, my question is that okay, see, I am performing something. How others will know that okay, what I performed?
When you say only we came to know, sir.
Sorry?
The way this was communicating earlier with secondary name node, same way we can.
No. Here, okay, see, second name node means it will go here and get the data. But here, okay, is it secondary name node?
No,
Maybe there is a job that puts it in there.
Huh? It's not secondary name node, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. That is
Then okay. So see, secondary name node will contact with the primary name node. Okay, but okay, will this name node contact with secondary name node? No, right?
No, sir.
So it means okay, both the name nodes are having something like okay, they never contact each other. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the question is that okay, if this guy performs okay, suppose okay, now you store 10 files, sir. Okay, file 1 to file 10 you stored. Okay, that file 1 to file 10 metadata is in this 10 edits. Okay, suddenly if name node 1 is down, okay, now if you run a command ls-l, okay, okay, what name node 2 will tell? Name node will tell okay, I have 0 files. Correct or not? Because
Yes,
name
sir.
node 2 doesn't know about these 10 edits. Because
Yes,
it is
sir.
loading in a common place. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now the question is that okay, we need to put both the name nodes in a situation that okay, whatever name node is performing, that should be known to name node 2. Whatever name node 2 is performing, that should be known to name node 1. Correct or not? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I
Yes,
will do now, whatever name node performed, okay, I will put in a common place here. I'll create one common place. Okay. So if name node 1 performed 1 to 10 edits, it will maintain 1 to 10 edits here, and it will put 1 to 10 edits here also. Okay. So now after that, okay, name node 1 is down. Okay, name node 2 has become active. It performed okay. So 11 to 20 edits. Okay. So it will maintain one copy here. Okay. It will maintain one copy here. Okay. Okay, one copy here. And at the same time, it will put the same 10 to 11 to 20 edits here also in the common place also. Okay. So that okay, both the name nodes will not have direct contact, but both the name nodes will have contact to the common place. Understand, sir? Now tell me.
Yes.
Okay, now name node is writing one copy in its own place. Okay. And the name node is writing one copy in the common place also. Okay.
So Venkat, you mean to say the FS image and edits will be kept?
Not
in
FS image, sir. Okay. So am I writing FS image here?
No,
No, sir, only edits.
Only edits.
Okay.
Okay. So, and again, okay, so if this is active, whatever the edits is performed by this name node, okay, it will write one copy locally, it will write one copy in the common place. Got it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the question is that, okay, what if case common place is gone? What if common place is gone?
And sir, one more question, sir. What is the common place name, right?
I will tell, sir. I'll tell. Okay. I'll tell what is the common place. Okay. Now the question is that, okay, what if common place is gone? Sir, okay, again, okay. So is there any direct interaction between name node 1 to name node 2?
No,
Any
sir.
heartbeat concept?
No, sir.
No heartbeat concept. Nothing. Never two name nodes talk each other. Okay. But okay, they communicate. Okay. In a to common place. Okay. Now the question is that, okay, suppose, okay, now yes, okay, so now this is okay, NN2 is down here, NN2 is down. Now this has become active. Okay. Now it has written, okay, 21 to 50 edits here. Okay. It has written one copy here, it has written one copy here also. Okay. So now the question is that, okay, now the question is that, okay, what if common place is down? Is it a danger thing or not?
Yes, sir. If common place is down, the another
Again, the problem. Again, the starting problem only we will see. Okay, if common place is down, okay. So this guy will understand only 11 to 20 edits, and this guy will understand only 1 to 10 and 21 to 50. In between, okay, 11 to 20, this guy will not understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay. So this is a problem. Okay. So now maintaining one common place is better, or okay, can we maintain high availability for common place also? I mean, see, if you maintain like in one common place, okay, if the things are gone, okay, then it's the problem. Okay? Now, let us maintain in three common places now. Good, right? Now?
Yes,
maintain
sir.
in three common places. Okay?
Yes,
If
sir.
one is down also, I can still get my common edits from other two places. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Got my point. Got my point. Okay? Now, okay, who is this common place? Okay? So this common place will be, okay, there should be a service or a person maintain this common place, right? So in Hadoop, okay, we have a service here which is called as a journal node, which will maintain the common place. Understood, sir? Now,
Yes, sir.
huh? So even when journal node is down also, then no problem, nothing will go wrong for me. Okay, I can still access the edits from here or here. Is it fine? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So it means, okay, again, okay, journal node is a service. Okay, as of now, okay, we have, okay, see, at this moment, okay, sir. Okay, so this is my initial cluster. This is my initial cluster. Okay, so this is completely fine. This is completely fine. This initial cluster is completely fine. But okay, due to some reason, okay, so what we are doing, okay, we are transforming it to next level like this actually. Okay, we are changing this to okay, we are changing this to okay, in the place of name node. Okay, so name node is there. In the place of secondary name node, we are bringing name node 2. Yes or no? I'm calling this as name node 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir, here I have one doubt, sir.
Ah.
Sir, in this cluster, since we don't have secondary name node, who will do checkpoint, sir?
I will come to that, sir. I'll come to that point also. Okay. So till
Okay.
this you are clear, right? Till this you are clear. So
Yes, sir.
till this, okay, we don't require any extra machines. Okay, I don't require secondary name node, or I don't require. In the anyway, I'm using secondary name node business. Okay, one more name node machine. Okay. So here H3N1. This is H3N2. Okay. Okay. This is take it like edge node. So here this is H3N3, H3N4, H3N5, okay, H3N6, okay, H3H. No. Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, okay, these are services. Okay. So now, okay, now we thought to run general nodes. Where to run those general nodes? How many general nodes I want to run now?
3 general nodes.
3 general nodes. Okay, now where to run those general nodes? Now, don't you think that, okay, to run those general nodes, I require, okay, extra machines, extra 3 machines?
No, sir, we can run anywhere. Mainly on data nodes.
What do you mean mainly on data nodes?
No, sir, we can run anywhere on other nodes, right?
Okay, so here, okay, this is okay. Okay, is it so now tell me, okay, general node is a main service or supporting service for name node?
Supporting service, sir.
Supporting service for name node, sir.
This is supporting service for these name nodes. Okay, but okay, this is not a main service. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or not? See, we need something to implement in name nodes. So we need a common solution. For that, okay, we need general node. So without general node also, okay, name node ran right earlier in the earlier picture. In this picture, do you have general node?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It means, okay, general node can run, as name node can run without general node also. Okay, but okay, we are changing our architecture. That is the reason what we are doing. Okay, we are bringing a dependent service here. Yes or no? Okay, so if I don't have this name node concept, I don't require general nodes. Or okay, without name node, can I use only general nodes? No.
No, sir.
Okay, no. Okay. So now the question is that, okay, now the question is that, okay, where to run these general nodes? Okay, so here, okay, for supporting, normally if you have any supporting services, okay, you will run in the existing systems only. Understand this? Okay, you run in the existing systems also, supporting services. Okay? So general node 1 will run here. Okay, general node 2 I will run here. Okay, general node 3 will run here. Is it fine now? Huh? Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine now? So I will run supporting services, okay, in these machines itself. Okay, to run supporting services, I don't require separate machines. Understand? Understand? Or any questions?
Yes,
So
sir.
Venkat, this is decided by architect itself.
Of course,
The-
yes. In which machines I should run? Okay, it should be it is decided by architect. Okay. Now, okay, shall we do this one? Shall we change our cluster like this now? Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
okay. Active name node and standby name node. What is active name node? In a typical HCI cluster, highly available cluster, okay, 2 or more separate machines are configured as name nodes. Okay, at any point of time, exactly one name node is in active state, others are in standby state. Okay, so active name node is responsible for all client operations in the cluster. Client operations means to execute any commands. Okay, and while standby name node is simply acting as a slave and performing checkpoint on regular intervals. So now who is performing checkpoint is
Standby nodes.
so whoever state is standby, that one will be performing checkpoint. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So
one more question, Venkat. So even if this general node is running in name node 1 node, name node 2 will be having access to name node 1 general node. Yes.
Sorry. Can you come back, sir?
See, a common place general node should be accessible by all the nodes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So even if this general node is running in name node 1, name node 2 will be able to access it and this.
So, okay, see,
Yes.
the common place will be maintained by general node service. Okay, if name node service talk to general node service, okay, general node service will give. Got it?
Got it.
Here, name node 2 is not going and taking this edits. Name node 2 is taking help of general node 1 to get the edits. Sir, we are starting a service, right? We are keeping a separate person here to take care of this common edits. So name node 2 cannot go and take it from here. Name node 2 has to talk to this guy, and this guy will help name node. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Sir, my one doubt, sir. Sir, is it possible just, in other versions like 3x Hadoop, is it possible to get more number of name node, or it is
Sir, don't think too further, sir. Okay, see, you might be knowing few things. Okay, yes, okay, please wait. Okay, I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So this is the idea now. This is the idea. So we will make the changes accordingly. Okay. So you understood now who will perform checkpoint in case of secondary name node is not there. In Hadoop 2x, okay, they removed secondary name node. In Hadoop 2x, removed secondary name node. In that place, okay, they got one more name node. Okay. So they are playing with the active standby models actually. Okay. So whichever name node state is standby, that name node will be performing checkpoint. Okay. So now, okay, challenges with the name node availability. Okay, so here we will see this one. Now we'll implement this one. Okay. So here, setting up two name nodes with common general edits. Okay, so here, I'm taking name node, two name nodes here, and here we are taking general nodes, two general nodes here. Okay. So here perform checkpoint. First, okay, as a first step, okay, you perform the checkpoint in any machine. Okay. Then stop the performing checkpoint. Okay, so you can do it in H3 and 1. Okay. Wherever I use cluster, it should use in the first machine only, name node machine only. Okay. So you can flash. Stop everything. Stop name node, stop secondary name node, stop data nodes, everything. You stop entire cluster. So it means, okay, VMs are running, but services are not running. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I stopped the services here. Okay. Now making changes to cluster configuration file. Open the cluster configuration file. So here, okay, name node, okay, earlier I have only one machine, right? Now I will make it like two machines. Okay. 182. Okay. So do we require secondary name node now? Not required.
No.
Okay. Not required. Okay. In the place of secondary name node, okay, what we got? So now
Generals.
General nodes. So who are the general nodes? 181, 182, 183 are the general nodes. Okay. So I made these changes now.
So only one entry we need to make.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah,
One entry I modified, one entry I deleted, and one entry I added.
Okay, sir.
Secondary name node I deleted now. Okay. For name node, okay, I added one more IP address. For general nodes, I added 3 IP addresses. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now do the cleanup activity. Okay. So do the cleanup activity. Yes. Okay. So now open core site XML. Open site XML. Okay. So here, okay. Earlier, okay, I had only one name node. That is the reason. Okay, I have directly given 181. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
181. Okay, that is the reason I directly gave 181 IP address here. Okay. Now we have one name node or multiple name nodes. We have two name nodes.
Two nodes.
Okay. When you have two name nodes, okay, what to do? Remove this property and add this property. What I did. So now I told that, okay, my name node is okay. So now my name node is my cluster. Understand? What is this my cluster? Under my cluster, what we have? Under my cluster, we have S3 and
Node 1 and 2.
Understood. So from now onwards, okay, I'm telling that, okay, hey, guys, okay, see, I have two name nodes. Okay. So here, name node 1, name node 2. Okay. So we don't know who will be active at what time, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not, guys, okay. So that is the reason, okay, what we are doing. Okay, so we are combining these two, okay, with a common name. What is the common name we are taking? Here, my cluster. Understood. What is the common name I'm giving?
My clusters.
Okay. So earlier, okay, what was the situation earlier? Okay, so here it is my name node 1. Okay, here earlier we have name node. Okay. Users are directly hitting name node 1. Earlier, this was the situation, correct? In 1x situation. Okay, because we have only one name node, then one name node IP address is mentioned in the configuration file. So when user commands, okay, so user commands are directly hitting to name node. But now in this picture, users commands, okay, will hit my cluster. Understood? My
Yes,
cluster,
sir.
and now my cluster will have the information like out of these two, who is active and who is standby. Okay. So if this is active, my cluster will forward the request to name node 1. If this is active, my cluster will forward the request to name node 2. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So that is what I'm
So
defining.
what it will do, my cluster, just can you just
My
go
cluster is a
again?
common name for both the name nodes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So when you hit it, when user run a command, okay. So normally what I told, name node is the first point of contact, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes.
Name node is the first point of contact. Okay. So
Yes.
now here, okay, earlier okay, I had only one name node, so directly it is contacting to that name node only. But now I have two name nodes. Okay. To which name node I need to contact? Okay. So we are not sure. Okay. That is the reason. Okay. For that, we are giving a common name which is called as my cluster. So user commands will be given to my cluster. My cluster will forward the command to the active name node out of these two. Whichever is active, it will forward that command to
Okay,
that.
sir. Got it.
Understand? Okay. So now, once this is done, validate the XML file. This one step. Okay, let us add everywhere, sir. Validate the XML file. Which site? Okay, I change core site, right? Okay, I'll change it to core site. XML is valid. Okay. If it is invalid, okay, then okay, there is some issue, guys. Okay, valid. Okay, fine. But now in the HDFS site XML. So open HDFS site XML. So here, what are the properties you are given for secondary name node? Okay, so these are the properties which you added for secondary name node. You remember? Huh?
Yes, sir. Checkpoints. Yes.
These are the four properties. Okay, you delete these four properties. What are the properties you are given for checkpoint? Okay. You delete those properties, and okay, in that place, add below properties. So these many properties are there. Okay. Now, okay, I will explain what are those properties, guys. Okay. Now,
For
validate.
site.xml, we can remove everything and we can add new one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In that only one property, na?
Yeah, got it.
So you removed one property, that one property. Okay. Now validate the XML. Okay. So this is HDFS site. If there is an issue, it will throw here itself. XML is valid. Okay. XML is valid. Okay. Then what next? What next? Okay. Okay, so now what properties are added here? Let us see this case. Okay, so now here, okay, name services. Okay, what are the name nodes? Common name for both the name nodes are my cluster. Okay, understood. Common name for both the name nodes is my cluster. Okay, under my cluster, how many name nodes? Which are the name nodes we have? S3 N1 and S3 N2. Okay, see, this is the S3 N1 IP address. This is the S3 N2 IP address. Okay, understood. Okay, so there is something called failover. So how it will okay, one name node to other, okay, how to change the status of name node, state of name node, okay, active to standby to active. That will be done by this class. Okay, then okay, we are using general nodes, right guys? Here we are using general nodes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we told that general nodes will store one copy of edits, right? Okay,
yes,
and and general nodes are running on the name node machine. Okay, now in which path they will store this one? In which path they will store these edits? We should tell, right? We should tell or not required?
Yes, sir. We need to.
We need to tell. Okay, so now okay, what I will do. Okay. So here, okay, this is not secondary name node. Okay, in this place, okay, I have name node 2, right? This is name node 1, name node 2. And okay, so here, okay, our idea is to maintain that. And okay, in this machine, okay, we thought to run general node. Okay, so now what I'm telling, okay, for general nodes, okay, I'm giving this path for general nodes, guys. Understood?
Okay, sir.
This is the path. Okay. And okay, in this path, okay, this is the path for general nodes. Now imagine, sir, in this path, okay, we already have blocks, right? Okay. So, but okay, here, okay, if you see the blocks location, so now I will log into S3 N3, CD, MNT, disk 2. Okay. Here, okay, I have data directory. Inside this one, I have blocks. But okay, here I'll create one more directory and I will put edits. Is it fine? This disk is in this scenario, this disk is shared between data blocks and edits. Okay, that is what I have given. Okay, so here I've given some properties which I will explain later stages. Okay, now okay, validate the XML. XML is valid. XML is valid. Okay, now you push the modified configuration file to all the nodes. Yes. Okay, you push. Okay. Now, one thing is that okay. First, let us see whether we have any services running here, guys. First, let us see whether we have any services running here. Any services running? No services as of now. Okay. Now you run a command. Start general node first. Start the general nodes. Okay. Now you see the clutch command. Is this started? General nodes.
Yes, sir. General nodes.
Where they are started?
181, 182, 183, sir.
181, 182, 183. 3 general nodes are started. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are starting this for the first time, right? Okay. So one-time activity. So since you are starting okay for the first time, you need to initialize the edits case. Initialize the general edits. Okay. So before doing this one, okay, there is nothing here. There is nothing here. No, nothing is inside this one. Okay. Okay. After running this shared edits. Okay. Now you run this command. Okay. This will create my cluster directory. See now. Earlier output, okay, nothing was showing, but now it is showing my cluster. Correct? Or not? Okay. Guys. Okay. So above command will create a directory my cluster under empty disk general nodes in all three general nodes. If you don't see this directory, restart general nodes and rerun the above commands. Okay. If you're still not working, you can use this one, but it will work. Don't worry. Okay. Now you see. Okay. So this is the location for edit common edits. This is the location for common edits. Okay. See, all three are having same edits, same common files. Okay. Now I'm starting the first name node, guys. Now I'm starting the first name node. Okay. Now you run the clutch command. Okay. At this moment, what and all running? One name node is running. Three general nodes are running.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
General nodes are running. Okay. Now, in secondary name node machine, in S3 and 2 machine. Okay. Go to S3 and 2 machine and okay, run a command bootstrap standby. Okay. Why this command is required? Okay. So because this is a new name node, right? This is a new name node. Okay. So normally, if I want to start name node, okay, it should have a copy of FS image and edits, right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
It's a new name node now. New name node. Okay. Does it have a copy of FS image and edits? No.
No, sir.
But okay, now when I run this command bootstrap standby, it will automatically copy FS image file from here to here. Understood?
Yes, sir. No, got it.
Now you can start the name node in this machine. Okay. Now go to from the plus node to execute the commands. Now you see how many name nodes are started. How many name nodes are started?
2 name nodes, sir.
2 name nodes are started. 2 name nodes are started. And okay, 3 general nodes are started. Okay. General nodes are started. Okay. Now start the data nodes also. Start the data nodes also. Now you see now. Okay. Now I have 2 name nodes started, 3 general nodes started, correct, and 3 data nodes also started. The last one is nothing is there. Why?
That is
Edge node. Edge node, nothing will be there inside that. Okay. Clear. Okay. Now your cluster is ready with 2 name nodes, 3 general nodes, 3 data nodes, and 1 edge node. Correct or not? Okay.
Yes.
So now, okay, 2 name nodes are started. Now let us check. Okay, which one is active? Which one is active, guys? What I told, when I start the name nodes, okay, both will be in the standby mode. Okay. Suppose if any name node is if okay, we don't have any active name node. Suppose if anybody run a command, suppose okay, now Alan is running a command dfs-ls. You know what is happening? What it is doing?
It will not execute, sir.
No, it is checking first. Okay, it checked with 181 whether it is available, is it active or not. Then it is checking with 182. Okay, then checking with 181. Then it will check with 182. Like this, it will be keep on checking who is active. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay? So because okay, it can submit command to only active name node. Correct? But here okay, both are standby only. So what to do now? As a Hadoop admin, what we need to do now? We need to make one as a active. Make one as active. Okay. Now, if you see the status of both the name nodes, one active is there, one standby is
One
there.
standby is there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let Alan run the command. Is it setting or is it giving the output directly? It is directly contacting active name node. It is directly contacting active name node and giving the result. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the question. Okay. So good, right? Now I have active name node. Okay. Any command you run. Okay. So SDFS -, okay. VLR. You run any command. Okay. It will show. Okay. You want to read a command. Okay. -cat. Okay. So head -, 2 lines. Is it printing or not? Huh?
Yes,
That
sir.
means all the commands are working, but all the commands are executed by which name node now?
Name node 1, sir.
Name node 1. Okay, so name node 1. Okay, now what will happen if name node 1 is stopped? Now, okay, I will stop name node 1. I'm stopping name node 1, sir. Now you see the status of both the name nodes. First one is not running, and second one is
Standby.
standby. Okay. Now what will happen if Anil run a command? Again, same problem.
It will keep on searching.
We don't have active
name node.
Name node. Okay. So what I will do now? Okay. Since there is an issue with the name node 1, it is down. Can I make name node 2 as active? Okay. So let Alan contact. Okay. So now what Alan will do? Now Alan is facing this issue. Immediately Alan will contact Hadoop admin. So now Hadoop admin will check. Okay. What is the status of name nodes? Okay. One is down. Other one is okay. Standby. Okay. So what he will do? What Hadoop admin will do? Hadoop admin immediately run a command. Okay. So change S3N2 to N2. Okay. Now you see the status of S3N1. S3N1 is still down. Okay. S3N2 is active. Or not. Okay. Now let Anil run the command. Is it working now? Yes, it is working. Is it throwing error? It's not throwing error. It is working clearly. Understand? Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it means okay. If active, so it means okay. Now which name node is taking care of the work commands?
Second name node, sir.
Second one. Okay. Now I will start the first name node. I stopped the first name node, right? So start the first name node. Okay. Now you see what is the status of first name node if I start? What is the status?
Standby.
Who is active now?
S3N2, sir.
S3N2 is active and S3N1 is standby. Okay. It means okay, if you start if you start or restart any name node, by default it will enter into standby. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir. Okay. So this is the second architecture they released by Hadoop, sir. They told, hey guys, okay, in the previous in the Hadoop 1x, you told that okay, you told like we have only one name node. If that one name node is failed, okay, it's a problem. So we released Hadoop 2x now. In Hadoop 2x, okay, we have given chance for 2 name nodes. Okay. So if one is down also, if one name node is down, okay, if any of the developers contact Hadoop admin, okay, immediately Hadoop admin will make the second name node as active, so that okay, there won't be much interruption. Yes or no? Yes, or no?
Sir. In 2x,
so here, okay, here
general node concept introduced, right, sir? 2x.
In 2x, okay, general node concept is introduced. Understood? Okay. Now in 1x, okay, we had an issue like okay, if common copy is I mean, like if edits or checkpoint is not happening, there is a chance of loss of data. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But here is the chance of loss of data because if one edits are gone also, I still have 2 more copies, right?
Yes, sir. Here we don't have that problem.
Okay. Here we don't have that problem. Okay. So here, okay, if okay, one name active name is down. If you make standby as active, immediately standby is pick up in the work. Okay. First problem solved. Second problem is like okay, chances of losing data if edits are lost. Okay, that problem also solved. Okay. And again, okay, if any new name node is introduced, okay, we just tell the common path in the configuration file. Okay, nothing other than that.
Sir, if a time lag that has been takes place in invoking the name node,
okay. So
then what will happen?
Guys, looks like my kid has locked the door in the bathroom. Okay, I'll stop the class here and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, sorry for that.
Okay, sir. I would request you to please share